So as you can see, this valve has moved down, so now that means it's good to open. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today we are going to see unboxing and review of this Prestige Deluxe Alpha Swach pressure cooker. The capacity is 4 liter and it's India's first stainless steel Swach pressure cooker, having this unique properties. Unique deep lead is there, unique alpha base is there, pressure indicator is there, durable handle is there, and then controlled gasket release system is there. And the most important thing is that it is made up of stainless steel. So it's made up of stainless steel, and it is not it is made from aluminum, so it is much more good for your health. Okay, then these are, you can say, unique properties, unique things in this pressure cooker. And there is unique pressure indicator, and it lets you know when to open the cooker. So let's see. So in the box we are getting these things. So this is the manual that we are getting. Okay, and in the last your warranty card. For online purchase this is not required, warranty card. And in this cover we are getting this, we are getting this whistle. Why इसको whistle कहते हैं? सीटी मारता है इसको. Okay, and this can be opened up, unscrewed for cleaning purpose. So it's good quality. As you can see, the quality is very good. This plastic, this is okay, it's not so good quality, but it's okay, you can have it worked. This is opposite, like if you do this it's unscrew, if you do anti-clockwise it's screwed. Okay, so this is the 4 liter pressure cooker, and as you can see this material is stainless steel, and this is the lid. In this lid we are getting this ring, rubber ring or gasket, you can say. Gasket is given to you. So this is the safety plug which is given to you, safety plug, and you have given this pressure indicator, and this will help you to know when to open the lid. To close this lid, you can see this arrow. Place this arrow aligned with this bar. So you have one black arrow, and then you have on top you have the silver arrow. Align this, make sure this is fully closed, and then you have to close this with pressure. And we will see when we boil something in this pressure cooker. Now we are going to cook this pulses in this cooker, and let's see how this will work. So the lid has been closed and we are going to start the gas. So now we started the gas and let's see how this cooker will work. So as this pulse is cooking in this pressure cooker, what I can show you that this is the pressure indicator, and this pressure indicator shows that when to open the lid. So if this pressure indicator lid is in this situation, it means the pressure is not high. When this pressure get high, this lid will come up and it means that the pressure is high in the cooker, so no need to open the cooker. When this lid get down in this situation, which is currently like this, then you can see that okay, the cooker or the lid, you can open it. Ce panico è? So spillage occurs, but I'm not sure why they mentioned that it is non-spillage. I think this design, they will, if spillage occurs over here, it will not flow along this, I think so, but spillage occurs because of that low amount of water too. If you put high amount of water, then more spillage will occur. So as you can see, this valve has moved down, so now that means it's good to open. That's all. If you like the video, like button and subscribe my channel, Wise Man. Thank you.